Before we can import information to the cloud from version 5, we need to run a couple of reports in the old version and then back up the data. In this sample company, the start of the financial year is January. In Cloud, I wish to start my transactions from the beginning of October. Therefore, I need to get closing balances of my customers and suppliers as of the end of September. To do this, I need to open up the company in version 5 and go to Reports, Sales Ledger, and Debtor Statements, and select the month September. This shows the closing balances for the customers. You can print this report if you wish, or you can just close out of it. We now need to do the very same for the suppliers. So again, click on Reports, Purchases Ledger, and then Aged Creditors. Select the month September. This shows the closing balances for the suppliers. Again, print or simply close out. We now need to take a backup of the company. Simply highlight the company and hit Backup. Say yes to back up the data. Please ensure you take a note of the location where you save the data, as you will need to refer to it later on. We don't want to make this our default location, so you can hit No here. We are now finished with version 5. To import to the cloud, just open up your browser and type in the address app.bigredcloud.com. It is now prompting the user to log in using the email and password. We have a sample company already set up. This sample company was set up using the start of the financial year, May. We will change the first month of the transaction entry to October, so that we can start entering in transactions from the beginning of October. Once the company is saved, please exit out of the company and go to the Administration tab. In here, we can see the company or companies that we have set up as part of the subscription. Beside the active box, we have an option for import. Please note if any pop-ups appear on the screen, just X out of them. To continue, select Import, and we are presented with these two options. In this case, it is a version 5 backup, so tick the option and select Migrate. You could have an issue with regards to pop-ups being blocked. If they are blocked, you need to go up here and always allow for pop-ups from Big Red Cloud. Once this is done, select the option to migrate again. This window should pop up, advising that we need to run off the aged debtor and aged creditor reports. We have already done this, so just type in yes. The next migration window opens up, and we need to select File, navigate to the file that we have saved in the desktop, and select Open. This is why it is important you take note of where you have stored your data. The file is now uploading to the cloud and will begin the migration of the data and the opening balances. This may take a few moments. When this is finished, we need to make sure that nothing was rejected. To check the data, simply open up the company and go to Lookup. Here we can see all of our suppliers and our customers. The migration of data is now complete.